Hey guys, welcome to the 7th Autodesk Inventor tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to have text on your sketch plane. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is just go up here and select text. Now as soon as you do that, your cursor is going to change into a cross, and that just means you have to draw a rectangle. And inside of the rectangle that you draw is where your text is going to be. So I'm just going to go ahead right here and draw a rectangle by holding down my mouse and dragging. And as you can see right there, I just get a nice rectangle. Now as soon as I release my mouse, I'm going to get a formatting dialog. And inside of here is just where we're going to want to type the text that we want to be on our sketch plane. And I'm just going to make it say Adam is cool. But you can obviously make it say anything you want. Now up here is a whole bunch of formatting tools. So if you want to change the font or the size of your text, make it bold or underline or something, you can change the color of it, change the position of it inside of the rectangle. So if we were to click the center right here, it would be located in the center of the rectangle that we drew. I'm going to leave it like that. You can also change the color of your text. So if you want to make it like green or blue or something like that, you can. I'm just going to make it blue for right now. And once you're satisfied, you can just go ahead and click OK. And as you can see right there, now the text that we created in the format dialog is just now on our sketch plane. And if you want to edit it for some reason, like you messed up, you can just go ahead right here and right click on your text and then just go down to edit text. And now that formatting dialog will reappear and you can change anything you want in it. And I'm just going to make it aligned with the left and just click OK. And as you can see right there, it changed our text. And also one more thing, if you want to add symbols to your text, you can do that pretty easily. Like if you wanted to add, well, I guess there's the degree sign or something like that. There's all these symbols right here, and if the symbol that you want to add isn't there, you can just go ahead and click this button and it will open your character map. But I'm just going to add, I guess, that symbol right there and click OK. Alright, so as you can see right there, it's got that symbol. And that's pretty much all there is to having text on your sketch plane. But there's actually one other way to have text. So that's called the geometry text. And basically that's just used if you want to wrap text around something, like if you want your text to be on a specific line or around a circle or something like that, you can use that tool. So let's say we just want to have our text wrapped around this circle right here. Let's draw a nice circle. And now if I go down here to the geometry text tool, instead of actually drawing a rectangle for the text to be inside of, we're just going to want to select a line that our text will be on. And I'm just going to have it be around this circle right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the circle. And as soon as I select that circle, we get a nice geometry text dialog right here. And just like before, you're just going to want to type the text that you want to be on your circle or whatever line you selected. And I'm just going to make it say Adam is cool. And just like before, there's a bunch of formatting tools like the color, the font, the size, all that stuff. And I'm just going to click OK right here, and as you can see, I just got Adam is cool around this circle. And let's just say you want to change the position of this on your circle, like you want it to be at the top or something. Well, what you can do is just right click and obviously edit the geometry text, but you can change the start angle on your circle. So right now it starts at 0, and that's just right here on this angle. So if we wanted it to be up here, we'd have to say 90 degrees. And 90 degrees would just be obviously straight up from here and right here. So now when we click OK, we see it's just starts right there and at the top of our circle. But what if we want the center of our text to be at the top of our circle, so half of it's on this side and the other half is on this side? Well, what we can do is change the position of it on the circle. Like right here, we just click center justification right there and click OK. You can see it's now located in the center of that starting position. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial on having text on your sketch plane. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your text 3D. Alright, so see you guys.